I have a very important question for you. How many courses have you purchased up until now? How much are you making per month? Is it consistent or not? What's the strategy? Is it obsolete or not? You know why I'm asking these questions? Because if you reach out to your mentor and ask them for a live MyFxBook results, they're not going to give it to you. I would say 99.5% of them are not going to give you a live MyFxBook results to show you that their strategy is working. Okay, and that's why I decided to, like, for every single video from now on, I'm just going to show you live MyFxBook results for whatever expert advisor or trading robot that we use, so people can literally see what's going on. I'm pretty sure that you might be hesitating about these expert advisors or trading robots because you spent $100 and you expected to get funded with $100,000, $50,000, or grow your personal accounts by 25% every single month. That's not how it works. That's literally not how it works, because there are so many expert advisors in this industry and you gotta know which one to use and how to use them. So without any further ado, let me take you to my phone and show you everything from A to Z. There are 4 accounts, 2 of them are running on one expert advisor, and I wanna show you their live MyFxBook results. And by the way, if you want to take a look at them by yourself, you can do that. You just need to contact our support team. You can find the link below this video. You can join our channel, see everything for yourself, get in touch with us and ask for their links, and we'll share them with you, because it's super fascinating to see people are just wandering around. They don't know what to do. They just buy so many courses and they get no results. So I'm gonna count to 3 and take you to my phone that show you how everything is working. So 3, 2, 1, and let's get it. So that's the first account, which is running on an expert advisor, which is called Elite Titans Incubator. And as you can see, guys, we're up 41% in profit so far, and the monthly profit is almost 29%. So before that, let me show you today's date. As you can see, September 1st. And today it's just the first day. It made 1.5% in profit. Last month it made 27%, and the month before 9.37%, which is absolutely nuts. It's insane. So if you look at the charts, as you can see, it's pretty good, and it's a 5K account. We grew to a 6.4K, $1,400 in profit, and that's how it's going so far. So this is a live MyFxBook results on a real account, and the second account of this particular expert advisor, Elite Titans Incubator, has made 9% so far on a $1,000 account, and the profit has been $89. And we just started this account last month. It made 7.42% in profit on a very low risk preset file. We are not, we haven't created this account to risk too much or to try to make like 25, 30%, 40% a month. That's not really realistic. Some months you can do that. As you saw, the previous MyFxBook results, we made 27% last month, but it's not something that you do every single month. Sometimes it's 10%, sometimes it's 20, sometimes 30, sometimes 5%. It depends on market conditions, but you gotta see live results every single day. And that's why I'm saying MyFxBook links are very important. If you want to use something, you need to get access to their MyFxBook results before doing anything. And the third account that I want to show you is, but by the way, this is manual trading. The MFA team doesn't use expert advisors. It's completely manual, and it's made 109% in profit. Maximum drawdown has been 25%. Monthly profit is around 11% on a $1,000 account, and the profit so far is $900. As you can see, guys, these guys have been around for a while, and the results are pretty astonishing because they changed their strategy. And as you can see, the last 4 months, it's all profit, all positive, and over 10% in profit. So last month they made 19, the month before 28%, 18%, and that's how it goes. And by the way, I have a good news for you. Don't skip this video, because you are able to connect to these people for free. Yes, you heard it right. And they just share their profit with you. So you just need to share your profit with them, basically. And the only thing you need to do is to contact our support team. They'll add you to the social trading channel, and you get to connect to these people. And at the end of the month, you share between 20% to 30% of your profit with those traders. That's how it works. But there's no initial fee for some of these traders, and we made it available for you that you can connect to them free of charge. Good news for you, right? So contact our support team right now. secure your spot, because I don't know how many spots left exactly. These people are not able to take like hundreds of people at the same time, but it's open. Since you're watching this video, it's still open, but we are not sure about the spots. But get in touch with us, ask all your questions, get the links, and we'll add you to the VIP channel, which you can join for free and connect to these people. And the third account that I want to show you is something that you can also start with $250 if you want to connect to this trader. And this is a manual trader as well. So he doesn't use expert advisors. It's a 50% in profit on a $250 account. And the graph has been good, so far so good. And as you can see, guys, it's a very, very small account. That's why the drawdown is relatively high, but it's still good. They're still in profit. And if you want to start with $250, you can also use this trader. But for Elite Titans Incubator, the minimum deposit is $1,000. For MFA is $1,000, and the profit split is 30%, which is absolutely worth it, because you are going to make the money back at the end of the month. And guess what? You don't have to pay them anything, right? No upfront fee for some of the traders, but for some others, they probably charge some yearly membership or something like that. There are so many traders that we've kind of gathered around in the VIP channel, in the social trading VIP channel, that you can connect to. And as I said, you just need to contact us and we'll add you to that channel. You'll be able to see all of them with their MyFxBook results, with their verified MyFxBook results, with all the track record. Whatever you need to see will be available in the channel, and I highly recommend you to do that if you're looking for some way to make some kind of a passive income without getting involved into this market. You can definitely do that to grow your personal account. This is not for passing challenges or managing funded accounts. It's purely for personal accounts. But if you want to pass a problem challenge and get funded with your desired capital, I've already talked about it so many times that what we exactly use to get it done. We use expert advisors to do that, to both pass the challenge and manage the funded account. And still, you can contact us and ask about that one as well. It really depends on your goal. We are here to help you. That's what we do. And I hope that you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, share this video with your friend who's struggling to make some money in Forex, and it's going to get it done for him. It's going to get it done for him. And I hope to see you on the other side.